Welcome to Bolton Clark's Be Healthy and Active program. This session is Master Your Mind.
Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm a mental health clinical nurse consultant with Bolton Clark. Life can be full of frustrations and demands, which can cause us to feel stressed and anxious from time to time. Stress isn't always bad. In fact, in small doses, it can help you perform under pressure and motivate you to do your best. Stress is a normal response to things that make you feel threatened or upset you in some way. However, sometimes the feelings of stress and anxiety may hinder your daily life. Today, we are going to talk about something you can do to help reduce your levels of stress, called mindfulness. So, why do we become stressed? Stress and anxiety are how your brain responds to a real or imagined threat. The brain creates a signal to get your body ready to protect itself through the fight or flight mechanism. For our ancestors, responding quickly to a threat such as an approaching tiger or a fire was essential to survival. In these situations, your brain knows that you need your body to respond quickly, so your heart rate increases, your senses are alert, and your breathing goes faster to allow you to react quickly. At the same time, anything the body doesn't need for fight or flight is turned off, like digestions and conscious thoughts. These days, our bodies don't normally have to respond to stress as a matter of survival. The things that cause us stress now may be meeting new people, doing unfamiliar or new activities, public speaking, financial hardships, illness, and uncertain times. These situations may make you feel anxious. You may find yourself stumbling over your words, not thinking clearly, feel your heart racing, and have trouble sleeping.
Hi, I'm Marissa, a research fellow with Bolton Clark. So now that you understand why we experience stress, it may be easier to notice the signs of stress. You may be feeling them right now after thinking about those stressful situations. You might feel things such as your heart beating faster, tightness in your chest, difficulty swallowing, blushing, feeling lightheaded, feeling shaky, or having a dry mouth. You may be familiar with these feelings of stress. Some other warning signs may be feeling very cranky, losing your patience, difficulty sleeping, finding it hard to focus, or thinking too much about one thing. As well as helping us notice these signs of stress, practicing mindfulness in these moments can give us a way to calm our nervous system. Reducing your stress will help you think more clearly and make more logical decisions. Mindfulness is a practice like meditation or prayer that can help us to shift our thoughts away from our usual concerns towards an appreciation of the moment and a more positive outlook on life. Research shows that there are many benefits of practicing mindfulness, including feeling better about life, improved sleep, helping to manage chronic pain, lowering your blood pressure, and improving digestion. Being mindful makes it easier to enjoy the happy moments in life as they occur, helps you to focus on doing things, and helps you to cope with difficult events. By focusing on the here and now, many people who practice mindfulness find that they don't tend to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets over the past. They feel better about themselves and find it easier to connect with others. Mindfulness also improves mental health. In recent years, psychologists have used mindfulness meditation as an important part of how they treat problems like depression, drug abuse, eating disorders, couples conflicts, anxiety, and obsessive compulsive disorder. So what is mindfulness? Practicing mindfulness involves paying attention to what we are thinking and feeling right now. This is being present in the current moment, noticing and thinking about the way you're feeling, and understanding that each experience you are having will pass. Notice each thought or sensation you are having and consider it openly and without assigning judgment to it. Ask yourself, is this thought or experience reasonable? What else am I experiencing? Practicing mindfulness can be as simple as taking a moment to notice all the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and touch sensations you are experiencing. You can practice mindfulness when you are eating. Just turn off any distractions like the TV, computer, music, or phone, put away the newspaper or other activities, and eat your meal paying full attention to each mouthful. How it looks, how it smells, the movements used to bring it to your mouth, the texture and the taste as you chew slowly. You will be surprised at how different food tastes when you eat it this way and how filling a meal can be. Let's have a go at mindfulness now.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and I'm going to guide you through a mindfulness practice. To start with, bring your attention to the body. Notice the posture. Make sure you are sitting in a way that's comfortable and alert, with the spine tall. Feel the soles of the feet resting on the earth. We are going to practice falling awake instead of falling asleep. You might want to close your eyes as we do this, or half close them. Relax your gaze. Remember that you are not judging. We're just noticing how the body feels. Tuning in to whether it is tense, relaxed, energized, or tired. Notice the mind. Notice the thoughts. Perhaps it is agitated, or perhaps it is relaxed. You may be feeling alert, or you may be feeling quite sleepy. Accept how the mind feels in this moment. Notice where your attention is and bring it back to the body. Notice the different sensations in the body. You might notice tension in the shoulders, the neck, the jaw. Start to focus on relaxing that tension, creating space, starting to let go. We cannot force the body to relax, but we can focus our breath on releasing any unnecessary tension. Now bring your attention to the breath, not trying to consciously control or change the breathing, just noticing the natural expansion and contraction, the rising and the falling. Noticing when you are breathing in and when you are breathing out. Notice what parts of the body you can feel the breath in. Notice the pauses in between the breath, that momentary pause at the end of the breath, and the pause at the beginning of the next breath. Perhaps you might visualize the ocean, the rising and the falling of the waves. Feeling the body relax deeper with each inhale and each exhale. If you notice the mind wandering, then focus on coming back to the body, back to the breath, back to this moment. Just noticing and coming back over and over again, as many times as you want to. This breath, this moment. Checking back in again with the body and the mind. Notice the difference in the mind compared with how it felt before we started. How much space have you created? Whenever you are ready, slowly blink the eyes open. Coming back to the surroundings, coming back to the external world with a deeper level of gratitude for the body and for the breath. How do you feel now? Hopefully a little more relaxed. But if you found it difficult, that's okay. The more you practice being mindful, the easier it will come to you.
If you want some assistance practicing mindfulness, Smiling Mind is a not-for-profit organisation that has developed a free app to help you practice mindfulness for just 10 minutes a day. Or check out the Bolt & Clark website. So now you know a little more about how to master your mind. Next time you notice yourself feeling stressed, try to take some time to practice mindfulness.
For more information about the Be Healthy and Active program or to book a session, visit boltonclark.com.au/behealthy.